Hi everyone. In case you missed selecting the proper language during the installation of Windows 11, you may be wondering how to add your local language or secondary keyboard language to your Windows 11 setup. In order to add a secondary language or add a new keyboard layout in Windows 11, all what you have to do is to press the Windows button and type Settings. Then select the setting application. And in setting application, if you are using the English language, you will find a far in the left search box. Just type a keyboard word and select the first option, which is edit language and keyboard. After then, all what you have to do is to add language. So in case you need to add any language, just search for the language that you are looking for. In my case, I will check if I have the option to see if there is any language just for illustration. So I will select the Czech language and then I will click next. Then Windows will start to download the language that I just selected. During the installation, the Windows will install all dependencies required to support this language, starting from supporting the keyboard till supporting the Windows screen. For instance, I installed the Windows in English language, but what if I need to make Windows look Arabic to show the menus in Arabic language? All I have to do is download the Arabic language by selecting Add Language and download the language that I prefer. Then after then, what I have to do after then is to change the display language from this icon which I am highlighting on. One notable change in Windows 11 that changing the keyboard layout no more use Alt and Shift. It uses Windows and space key. Whenever you click Windows and space key, you are redirected to language or keyboard layout selection. That's it for this video. This video is very short and I intended to show you how to add a secondary keyboard in your Windows. Thank you very much for viewing. Bye bye.